In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use LinkedIn to find a job efficiently and effectively. LinkedIn is a powerful tool that connects you to professionals and opportunities across various industries. Let's dive into how you can leverage this platform to find your next job. First, you'll want to go to linkedin.com. If you're not a member already, be sure to sign up. If you are, then you can simply log in with your credentials using Google, Microsoft, or your email and password. Those using two-factor authentication will likely need to confirm their identity with a code sent to your phone. This is just a security step to keep your account safe. Once you're logged in, the fun begins. Head to the top of your LinkedIn homepage and click on the Jobs icon. This is your gateway to thousands of job listings. At the top of the page, you'll find a search bar. Here you can enter keywords, job titles, skills, or specific company names that match what you're looking for. Interestingly, LinkedIn often provides job role suggestions tailored to your qualifications and past experiences. This feature can be incredibly helpful if you're unsure of which role might be a good fit, but want to explore options that leverage your skills and history. Before you get too deep into the job search, make sure your LinkedIn profile is up to date. This means listing your most recent experience, education, and any other relevant information. Employers frequently view profiles, so having an updated profile increases your chances of making a great first impression. Now, once you've entered your search criteria, the search results page will display a multitude of job postings. You can filter these results to narrow down the options. Use filters like location, industry, and experience level to find jobs that best suit your preferences and qualifications. After applying these filters, you have the option to set job alerts. By toggling the Set Alert feature, LinkedIn can automatically notify you about new postings that meet your criteria. When you see a job posting that interests you, click on it to view the detailed job description. If it matches what you're looking for, you can proceed to apply. You'll notice two application types on LinkedIn: Easy Apply and Apply. Easy Apply allows you to apply directly through LinkedIn, taking advantage of your LinkedIn profile details to speed up the process. The Apply option, however, will redirect you to the company's website or a third-party site where you can go through their application process externally. Should you find a job of interest but need more time or consideration, you can click the Save button on the job details page to revisit it later. This simple action can keep potential opportunities organized and accessible. And that's it. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering job hunting on LinkedIn. Remember, persistence is key in job searching, and using LinkedIn efficiently can significantly streamline the process. Good luck with your job hunt.